Hi there, and welcome back to the LaunchSMS Help Channel. I'm Joe, and today I'm excited to show you something that's going to change how home service businesses capture leads and book appointments online. I'm talking about BookSmart by LaunchSMS, a powerful tool that goes way beyond basic contact forms. We're talking conditional logic, real-time zip code validation, integrations with ServiceTitan, Jobber, HousecallPro, and so much more. Let's dive in. So what makes BookSmart special? Well, it's specifically designed for service businesses like HVAC, plumbing, electrical contractors, companies that need to qualify leads and route them correctly from day one. Instead of generic contact us forms, you can build intelligent forms that adapt based on what your customers need. Let me show you what I mean. Let's start by building a simple request form. I'll click the Create Form drop-down button and select a pre-created form. You can easily go through all the different tabs, change the tab headings as needed, add additional ones as you need as well as update, add, or remove any of the fields that have been pre-created with the form. You have options for conditional logic, adding options, add checkboxes, text fields, paragraphs, including HTML on the actual form itself. When you're done, simply click Save, and you've created a form. Our FSM and CRM integrations are where this really shines for service businesses. Each integration allows you to extend the use of the form to provide more flexibility and greater options for your customers. For example, let's take a look at our zip code lookup. It automatically checks if you service that area. If you do, a green check mark will appear. If you don't, it tells them right away. Normal wasted leads from areas you don't serve. All the customer has to do is enter in their zip code, and there you go. It lets them know that you service that area, and they can proceed to add in their additional information to schedule this job. The customer lookup automatically looks into your system to see if a record exists in your FSM, and if so, automatically appends their information to the form, saving them time and your CSRs by not having to manage duplicate records. Let's try it out. I've entered in the phone number. It immediately looks up the customer, and if a record exists, it'll show all the locations that are associated with that customer. If no locations are found, it'll simply just let them fill out the rest of the form. But in this case, my information was found, so I'm going to click on my location. As you can see, most of my information was collected. All I have to do is enter my email address, and I'm able to proceed. For those on platforms that use capacity planning, you can have your customers get to your scheduling form, select the date that they want to schedule their service for, and get real-time updates for availability on those days. In this case, I chose the 25th. I have times available to me for 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. If I were to select the 23rd, I only have availability from 12 to 3. If I were to select today, there are no times available. This gives your users a real-time look into your availability to be able to get out there to complete that job. There are so many features that I just don't have time to cover them all today. We can go with multi-page forms for a complex service request, email automation that sends different messages based on the service type, lead scoring that prioritizes high-value jobs, analytics to see which services are the most requested, plus additional integrations with MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and other tools you're already using today. Now it's time to take our form on a test drive. Here's a demo site that we'll use to highlight how easy it is for your customers to place a job request on the website. The scenario is, I'm a customer who's got a broken air conditioning system. Summer's coming around, so I'd like to get that fixed. I'm going to be able to schedule service, and immediately I'm being asked to verify my zip code to make sure that the company provides service in my area. So I'm going to enter my zip code, and immediately it checks, and yes, service is provided in my area, so I can proceed. Next, I would select my service type. In this case, it would be heating and cooling. There'll be additional options for heating and cooling services. I'm going to pick a repair. And then I have some more options for repair my AC, furnace, other, or maintenance. In this case, I need AC repair, so I'm going to select that. Click Next. Some additional information. My AC is not turning on. Now being prompted to enter some contact information about me. And immediately the system goes to look me up. And boom, it found me. So now I'm able to select this, and my information is automatically added onto the form for ease of use for my customer. And now I could just select the date that I need. In this case, I'd like to get service as soon as I can, but I'm not available over the weekend, so I'm going to pick Monday the 23rd. I have one day available to me, or one time available to me. That is from 12 to 3. If I need another time available to me, I can certainly choose that, and more times may actually appear. So for example, if I pick the 30th, as you can see, I have more options available to me to select my time. In this case, I still like service on the 23rd, so I'm going to select that, agree to the terms, and submit. Once the form has submitted, I should receive a successful message. And there you go. But honestly, the biggest win is in peace of mind. You know every lead is qualified, properly routed, and nothing falls through the cracks. If you're a service contractor tired of generic contact forms that waste your time with unqualified leads, you need to check out LaunchSMS. I put the link in the description below. We offer a free demo where we'll actually build a custom form for your business and show you exactly how it integrates with your existing tools. Trust me, this is one of those tools that pays for itself within the first month. Your dispatchers, technicians, and bottom line will thank you. That's a wrap on BookSmart by LaunchSMS. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more integration tutorials and business automation tips. Drop a comment below and let me know what other integrations or features you'd like to see covered. I read every single comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.